Next-level survival gear and gadgets represents a pinnacle in preparedness, offering an array of meticulously curated tools and equipment designed for the modern survivalist. From advanced multi-tools to cutting-edge outdoor gear, their selection ensures optimal functionality, durability, and versatility. Whether for camping, emergencies, or outdoor adventures, these products redefine preparedness, providing individuals with the confidence and resources needed to thrive in diverse environments. Prepare for the unexpected with the latest in survival technology and innovation. Number 10. CRK T Driver Set. A comprehensive and versatile toolkit designed to meet the needs of both professionals and everyday users. This set is a testament to CRK's commitment to providing top-notch tools for various tasks. The CRK T Driver Set includes a variety of bits, drivers, and extensions, ensuring you have the right tool for any job. The bits are made from high-quality materials, providing durability and longevity. The set's organization and compact design make it easy to carry and use wherever you go. Whether you're a professional tradesperson, a DIY enthusiast, or simply someone who values having a reliable toolkit at hand, the CRK T Driver Set stands as a reliable and efficient option, showcasing CRK's dedication to producing tools that are both functional and user-friendly. Number 9. Medford Knives USMC Fighter. A testament to precision craftsmanship and robust design. Inspired by the United States Marine Corps, this knife embodies the resilience and strength of those it honors. With a hefty 0.19-inch thick D2 tool steel blade, it is prepared to tackle the toughest tasks with ease. The blade features a classic clip point design for versatility and optimal piercing ability. The G10 handle scales ensure a secure grip even in challenging conditions. With an overall length of approximately 12 inches and a durable Kydex sheath, the USMC Fighter is a reliable companion for any outdoor adventure or tactical mission. Medford Knives, known for their dedication to creating high-quality blades, once again demonstrates their commitment to excellence with the USMC Fighter, making it a standout choice for knife enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 8. Therm Pyrovolt 2.0. A modern solution designed to secure and protect your valuable lighter in various environments. This innovative EDC accessory is built from reinforced polymer, making it durable, lightweight, and resistant to impact. The PyroVault 2.0 can accommodate a wide range of common lighter sizes, including the popular Bic Classic lighter. Its lid, featuring an O-ring seal, keeps your lighter dry and ready to use in all weather conditions. With its MOLE/PALS webbing slots and the ability to secure it with a lanyard, the PyroVault 2.0 is versatile and easy to carry, making it a valuable addition to your outdoor gear, survival kit, or everyday carry setup. Therm continues to exemplify innovation and practicality with the PyroVault 2.0, meeting the needs of users who value reliable fire-starting tools in their adventures and daily life. Number 7. Holtzman's Survival Pen. A versatile and indispensable tool for both outdoor enthusiasts and everyday carry aficionados. Crafted with durability and functionality in mind, this survival pen seamlessly blends into your daily routine while standing ready for any unexpected situation. It features a robust tungsten carbide glass breaker tip that can shatter glass or serve as a self-defense tool. The integrated ferrocerium fire starter allows you to start a fire in challenging conditions. Its ergonomic design, coupled with the Fisher Space Pen ink cartridge, ensures a smooth writing experience, making it an ideal companion for jotting down notes on your adventures. Number 6. Zune Lotoo Survival Camping Shovel. A versatile and powerful tool designed to meet the demands of outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. Crafted from high-strength, lightweight aerospace-grade aluminum, this shovel features a unique, multi-angle adjustable head that transforms it into a variety of tools. From a shovel to a hoe, a pickaxe, or even a hammer, its adaptability makes it indispensable in diverse scenarios. The high-carbon steel blade ensures durability and sharpness for cutting through various materials. The ergonomic handle, constructed with a non-slip pattern, ensures a comfortable and secure grip even in wet conditions. With its compact and portable design, the Zune Lotoo Survival Camping Shovel is a must-have for camping, hiking, off-road adventures, or emergency preparedness, showcasing Zune Lotoo's dedication to innovation and functionality in outdoor equipment. Number 5. Jackery Explorer 300 Power Station. A portable and reliable power solution for all your outdoor adventures and emergency needs. Weighing just 7.1 pounds and featuring a compact design, the Explorer 300 is easy to carry and store. With a 293 watt-hour lithium-ion battery, it can power small appliances, smartphones, laptops, and more, making it ideal for camping trips, tailgating, or power outages. The multiple charging options, including AC outlets, DC carport, and USB ports, provide versatility to charge various devices simultaneously. Its built-in pure sine wave inverter ensures stable and clean power, protecting your sensitive electronics. The LCD screen provides real-time information on battery status and output. The Jackery Explorer 300 Power Station exemplifies Jackery's commitment to delivering convenient and sustainable power solutions for those on the move, ensuring you stay connected and powered wherever your adventures take you. Number 4. GoZero Crush Light Solar-Powered Lantern. An innovative and eco-friendly lighting solution for all your outdoor and off-grid adventures. This collapsible lantern is designed to be lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry and store. Harnessing the power of the sun, the Crush Light features an integrated solar panel that charges during the day and provides up to 35 hours of warm, ambient light at night. The expandable accordion design allows you to control the brightness with a simple pop and collapse motion. With multiple light settings, it caters to different lighting needs. The durable and weather-resistant construction ensures it can withstand outdoor conditions. The GoZero Crush Light solar-powered lantern represents GoZero's dedication to providing sustainable, solar-powered solutions for adventurers, campers, and anyone seeking a reliable and eco-conscious lighting option. Number 3. Nite Ize CamJam XT. A versatile and robust cord tightener designed to securely tie down and organize your gear. Built with durability in mind, the CamJam XT features a rugged, corrosion-resistant stainless steel cam mechanism that's designed for heavy-duty use. Its ability to securely tension cords ranging from 1/16 to 3/16 in diameter makes it incredibly versatile for a range of applications, from securing tents and tarps to bundling equipment. The CamJam XT is engineered for ease of use, featuring an intuitive design that allows for quick and precise adjustments. With its ability to lock and hold tension without slipping, it's an essential tool for outdoor enthusiasts, dyers, and professionals alike, showcasing Nite Ize's commitment to providing reliable and innovative solutions for everyday needs. Number 2. Sog Survival Hawk. A versatile and compact tool designed for survivalists and outdoor enthusiasts. This multipurpose hatchet is forged from high-carbon stainless steel, providing durability and a sharp edge for cutting, chopping, and hammering tasks. Its compact and portable design makes it easy to carry in the included ballistic nylon sheath or attach to your backpack using the mounting points. The Survival Hawk also incorporates useful features like a fire starter, nail puller, and hammerhead, adding to its functionality in various scenarios. With its ergonomic handle and aggressive checkering, it offers a secure grip for precise control. Whether you're camping, hiking, or preparing for emergencies, the Sog Survival Hawk is a reliable and versatile tool that showcases Sog's commitment to creating innovative multifunctional gear for the outdoors. Number 1. Hogue EX-F03. A versatile and robust fixed-blade knife designed to meet the demands of outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, and tactical users. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, the EX-F03 features a full tang blade made from high-quality stainless steel, providing exceptional strength and corrosion resistance. Its drop-point blade design ensures optimal versatility for various cutting tasks, from slicing to piercing. The contoured G10 handle offers a comfortable and secure grip even in challenging conditions, allowing for extended use without fatigue. The jimping on the spine enhances control and precision during intricate cutting tasks. With a choice of blade lengths and sheath options, the Hogue EX-F03 is a reliable and adaptable tool that embodies Hogue's dedication to quality and innovation in the realm of edged tools for outdoor and tactical applications.